when it comes to weight loss, you have likely come across numerous tips and quick fix diets that promise amazing results. However, many of these claims can be deceptive and potentially detrimental to your health. If you are considering trying weight loss supplements or going on a keto diet, you may want to watch this video before you start. Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Sue from SL Aesthetics Clinic. Today we are taking a closer look at some popular social media weight loss tips. How many of those are worth trying and are they harmful to your health? Let's get started. I know how tempting it is to take diet pills and supplements, as they literally require zero effort. You don't even need to leave your house. But be very careful of these supplements that promise to lose weight fast, as they can cause damaging effects. Many of these slimming products contain banned substances. There have already been several cases in Singapore of users experiencing adverse side effects. And let's not forget the infamous case in 2002, where a local celebrity suffered liver failure from taking weight loss pills. Now, something that apparently requires a lot of hard work and many swear by is intermittent fasting. Intermittent fasting is a diet that focuses on when you eat instead of what you eat. While there are many types of intermittent fasting schedules, a common one is restricting food intake during an 8-hour period every day. Whether or not intermittent fasting works depends on how many calories you ultimately consume during the eating window. To lose weight, you need to be in a caloric deficit. This involves basic dieting principles such as eating nutrient-dense food and exercising regularly. Which means to also say, intermittent fasting does not give you permission to stuff yourself with fried chicken during the time you're allowed to eat. Now, on to our last piece of advice about spot reduction. This is the idea that doing specific exercises can reduce fat in particular areas. For instance, some believe leg lifts can tone the hips and thighs. Ab exercises can flatten the stomach, or chest workouts can trim fat under the breast. It's crucial to understand that spot reduction doesn't have strong evidence backing it. To lose fat in certain areas, you need to accept losing fat in other areas too. If you are looking for a more direct way to target stubborn fat alongside your healthy eating and exercise routine, there are non-invasive treatments available that can help you reach your goal faster. Such treatments typically involve radiofrequency, ultrasound, lasers, fat freezing, and recently LED lights.
How effective is LED in weight loss?
Yes, power LEDs. Well, these are not your regular LED lights at home. Rather, these are medical-grade LEDs that are hundreds of times more powerful than standard LEDs. While LED light therapy doesn't directly burn fat, it does emit powerful wavelengths of light that penetrate the skin surface to reach underlying fat cells. The fat cells then absorb the LED light to trigger apoptosis, or programmed cell death. This process kills and breaks down the fat cells. After the fat cells are broken down, the body's natural healing processes come into play, leading to the removal of targeted fat cells over time and ensuring long-term results. It can eliminate stubborn fat in areas like love handles, belly bulges, and thigh fat. LED treatments such as Lightfective Reborn are intended for people who are close to their desired body weight but still struggle with stubborn fat that won't go away. If you are generally in good health and want to address particular problem spots without opting for surgery or invasive procedures, Lightfective Reborn might be the right choice for your body contouring and fat loss needs. Now we know that many patients worry about pain during these types of procedures, but Reborn includes a built-in cooling technology designed for a comfortable experience. Treatments are completely painless and require no anesthesia. All you have to do is to lie back, relax during the session, which can be as short as 25 minutes. And the best part is, there's absolutely no downtime, so you can get back to your normal activities straight away. Remember, your fat loss journey is a deeply personal one, unique to your body. So, if you are curious to learn more about our treatments, feel free to schedule a consultation on our website or reach out to us on WhatsApp. Our doctors are ready to design a safe and customized plan for you. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments and we'll respond as soon as we can. And if you haven't already, consider subscribing to our channel for more content on beauty and health. Thank you for being with us and we hope to see you next time. Bye!